Hello, we are Hampala. We are a group of practitioners in civil engineering, bachelor and master students also in civil engineering. One of the problems that become our main focus is water, sanitation, and hygiene in one of the most important rivers in West Java, the Citarum River. But first, this is Hampala. The binomial name of this fish is Hampala macrolepidota. It prefers running rivers and streams but can be seen in most freshwater habitats except torrents, small creeks, and shallow swamps. This predatory species reaches up to 70 centimeters in length and it is common at half that size. This fish is one of the fish species that has been used as food in Southeast Asia since ancient times. Hampala fish is one of the endemic animals in the Citarum River. From the Compass Citarum expedition report conducted around April until May 2018, it was stated that there were about 14 species of fish that had disappeared from the Citarum River. Hampala fish is one of the kind that is still found in the Citarum River. But for how long? And it is our responsibility as citizens who receive the benefits of the Citarum River to ensure that the Citarum ecosystem is well maintained in terms of water quality, sanitation, and hygiene. The Citarum River extends 297 kilometers from Situ Cisanti, which is located at the foothill of Wayang Mountain into North Beach of Java Island, namely Muara Gembong in Bekasi. Area of the river is 11,323.4 kilometers or equivalent to 32.01% of the area of West Java province. This river is used for produce electricity for Java Bali region, provide clean waters for industrial suppliers, irrigation, and the main source of clean water for the capital city, Jakarta. The Citarum River was once ranked as the 5th most polluted rivers in the world, according to Help Save Nature in 2018. 4 years after a program entitled Citarum Harum has been implemented, the pollution level succeeded to reduce to the lower level of pollution. But this is not the end of the struggle to preserve the most crucial freshwater supply in the West Java region. Not only for West Java region, one of the 3 cascades dam in this river, namely Juanda, also supply the fresh water to the capital area. From the engineering point of view, the amount of the pollution is not only worrying about the water supply used for irrigation, hydropower, industry, river maintenance, and water supply in general, but it also shortens the age of the dam. Increased sedimentation leads to dead storage in reservoirs rapidly full, reducing service lifetime, increasing operational costs, and reducing water quality. In fact, the costs that require to build an infrastructure are not cheap, so the infrastructure is expected to operate optimally. As a practitioners in engineering who have direct and indirect interest with the Citarum River flow, have a responsibility to ensure that the most important resource in West Java is well maintained. to ensure that it is not only necessary to intervene technically. The most important role in the sustainability of an infrastructure is environmental and social. So, it can be concluded that the problem in the Citarum River is social approach problem. The most optimal combination of solution we offer is social intervention combined with technical readiness. From the technical point of view, operating system automation is one of the most capable solutions at this situation. The benefits of automation can reduce the efforts that need to be made in terms of maximizing the potential of water resource. With the automation process to distribute water allocation for irrigation, hydropower, industry, river maintenance, and water supply in general can be done in real time. Also, this can be applied to estimate the amount of water resource without long-term forecasting. Every data is real-time and the changes in water allocation are shared automatically by machinery process. Many aspects are included in the non-technical components. From our point of view at Citarum River, there are several non-technical problems. The first one is policies that are taken by authorities, including the government, the culture and habits of people who lived by the river, lack of understanding the importance of preserving water resources, lack of positive intervention from industries that also use the water resource from the rivers, and lack of understanding of the importance of water management, include domestic waste, industrial waste, agriculture waste, etc. Through our understanding of the theory of planned behavior, we can conclude the real condition of society. This identification needs to be done not only to see how society is really affected and the consequences posed by authority. The result of this identification can be used to determine how the policy should be formed and what can be done to increase river user action in the conservation of rivers and dams. Currently, one of us is a civil engineering practitioner focused on structural engineering with almost 5 years experience, combined with the competence of other members who are civil engineers who focus in the water resources and infrastructure. Moreover, we also have members with a background in civil engineering who currently have a focus in the field of the human policy and behavior towards infrastructure. With the combination of these teams, we believe that we can produce a solution that not only sees the technical side of the water, sanitation, and hygiene problem in the Citarum River, but also sees its relation to human policies and behavior that related with the Citarum River. We have many ideas that are perceived as a team and individually. However, this idea has not yet become a solutive idea and not yet can be applied practically in maintaining the preservation of the Citarum River. Therefore, we are eager to be part of the Circular Innovation Challenge 2022 so that we can form a solid, applicable, and practical idea. We hope that we can be accepted as one of the participants in the Circular Innovation Challenge 2022. And thank you so much for your attention. Best regards, Hampala teams.